Moin, wie geht it? Heute Moin, we're going to schwätz about Mokuchsdag.
Mokuchsdag.
What is Mokuchsdag, Jackie?
Mokuchsdag is a day that never happens.
It's a made-up day.
It's a made-up day. When children ask, when will I get that, we answer them, Mokuchsdag.
How does the child react when you say Mokuchsdag?
I think children understand very quickly that they will not get what they want.
So Mokuchsdag is basically like the 12th of never. So Mokuch, though, means something, right?
Yes, Mokuch means licorice. Yes.
Okay.
It's a cake for the stomach.
Mo, which is stomach, cake. Mokuchsdag.
Yes.
Stomach cake day.
There is a shop here in town, they sell licorice, and they celebrate the Mokuchsdag on 12th of April.
It's like the 12th of never.
Yeah.
12th of April is Mokuchsdag.
Yeah. But there is another day, another name for a day that never happens, is Päifenneijoerschdag.
So is that Päif? Is that like a whistle?
Whistle and Najorstag, it's New Year's Day.
Whistle New Year's Day?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Nothing at all. It's like Mokuchsdag, it's a day that never arrives.
Päifenneijoerschdag.
Yes.
Tip top. Okay, Jackie. So we'll do a video again on either Mokuchsdag or Päifenneijoerschdag.
I prefer Mokuchsdag.
Mokuchsdag. Okay. Adi, bis
If
next
you
game.
bring Mokuch.
I don't like licorice. This next guy.
Adi.